Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not foreign from King Mix Up, it's not credible. I keep on telling you that, but you don't know the thing said, people. Let's open this up on the day. But you know my style. Already one bag of one in the one. And I gotta give you these daily updates from the people you see and don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch to the end so you don't miss a thing. So as you can see, it is a big Jamaican link up between the influencers. You see me, I said you don't know the things that internet sensation Ivany and Miichii was in the club last night. I think this is Miami to be exact. I could be wrong, you feel what I'm saying? And yes, that is I don't know if she and Zay is back together again. She was, featuring a new man and all of these things. But nevertheless, one big cuss between the influencers because I guess Natty is feeling some type of way as the Ivany and Miichii linked up, you know what I mean? As we don't know the thing said. Natty was trying to help out Ivany and all of this stuff. But you don't know the thing said, people. Enough of me talking. Let's listen to the influencers explain what we're going to see. Ivany, Natty and Miichii and World Dawg and the rest of them talk. You see me? I say, yeah.
People them, I'm not gonna do that, bro. I'm not, bro. I'm not. So if you don't feel like I'm gonna do that, dog, I'm not do it, brother. Me no business when nobody wants it, man. I'm not do it, brother. Bloody done, man. As me there say, youth. Get the soldier suit. Yeah, bring it. No, me I try call Ivany. Miichii. Ivany.
Ivan, you have feelings in I. Come on, Ira, for be honest now, you're if I go somewhere, my friend, I'll make it look. Me I feel some type of me not go want you nobody have to say. But you're really actually.
Me have the one platform to turn on that. One nigga have platform to stop your mouth. You like comment to talk off your mouth. No. Pussy, talk now, sister. You stop your mouth.
Miichii, hear me I say, Miichii. That's the man go league, bro. Me not busy, bro. Hear me I say.
This is what I listen.
Hear that? It's my mother man with a body man, yes, sir. I want to start stop good boy every time I come on and she look. I need to know she can call and get bumbo clot props. Miichii, keep me off your life, I'm going this time. I've got blessed man, she don't kill blood clot. Miichii, what on it? Wait, Miichii, let me talk. I've got blood clot, bless me, make sure no blood clot remix, knock it. Because every blood clot on your walk on remix. Where you got to take a good thing, music a blood clot gunman song where you can't blood clot remix. Where you got to take off your drawers and knock it. Miichii, end me off your life, so I'm going to start my one plot talk. I love my life, And my people, them love me over there, because I'm going to come over there to mix up same blood clot way. Because now too much. The same I over here, going to come over there when we start the blood clot live. But Sicily fear. Make sure you can keep me off your life now. Coming around with people, I'm gonna beg people blood clot. That's why I'm used to run on the blood clot ads. Me never blood clot walk on thief the fake clothes and they wear a pussy. That me I tell you. If you don't want fake blood clot life, you don't look a chaka blood clot mouth, you don't look a fake life.
If you come from media, if you come in an argument for sure something, I look like me, I eat that.
So, Vani, let me ask you something, Vani. Who you have the problem with? Because the people over here, I say we fake. Who the problem is? And Vani, this is something. Vani, this is something. Wait, me talk to you now, Vani.
Hero, last night when Mika come to you.
Oh, grown. Well, on Vani, this is something that's so grown, and this is something about my brand. Today was supposed to be the topic of everybody come and enjoy themselves. Vani, if you have a problem with somebody, dog, you should take this off your ear and come talk and do ramp with bad mixture brand. Because here we are going. Next year people going to say, after bad mixture, be a mix up one.
But you never take your time and call me last night when you see everything I want and know everything I want. I want Christine never call me. I want never call me this morning. Why not for wait till bomber clock? You love me, I love it!
Why you never stop last night and listen? Because you want to turn on the media and talk. Why you never talk? Say, what are we out the door? Stick, man. Stop for your mother life. The one are we out the door, stop Vani. She didn't want no stop. Vani just didn't want attention and live. Come on. No. Vani, you so. Vani. Dog. Oh, God, I'm more. Cause Vani didn't come last night for me and your Swiss. You know that.
No, nothing.
You don't know nothing now.
No.
So why Vani come to?
When you wake up, you know, so I say, make Ivany come.
So earlier I say, now you don't know nothing.
Cause you say it for the live, bro. I'm in the room and watch it.
So what?
So I say invite her.
So we if you know the Ivany did it?
My dog, all me a run from it. That's what my plan is say it now. I'm say, bro, I'm there at the party and me a hold my own. I come and call me a hold my own. I better me that talk to everybody, bro. Cause I'm still night, bro. I'm there at the party, bro. Me a hold my own, bro. Me still not the mix up. And that me a look for, bro. Me there at the party. I'm not talk to nobody but Dennis and Bad and Miichii. And my name still not the mix up, bro. So no matter what me do, brother, my name is still not mix up. No matter what me do. And when me a run from it, I run me down, bro. I just saw me see me salt.
Afraid about Swiss.
Straight up.
When the man say Miichii is my bitch, I make Miichii come tell you nothing, I'm a bitch that. Miichii I walk and tell everybody in the Bronx say me breed her. I'm for breed that. Or that for be my baby mother. Some man class, you know. A some man class, you know, Michelle. Well, I know. Wait, I'm on my screen. No. I'm going to listen to the voice note and see if he can play. Yeah, the man say, I don't really know them girls like that, you know, and him fuck you out. Hey. Clot, man, you know, say, man, Omar a blood clot friend. Hey. Wait now. To how much better man I talk about? He man pre me now, but I don't care. I know you're from now, you may never grown away. I meet you anywhere you want for me to, you still cannot beat me up, Michelle. You still cannot beat me up, Michelle. Oh. When I add up my TikTok.
Literally one time I go live. Like one time me I go live about this. And like from the old thing happened back then. From the old thing happened from back then. Like, me literally just take the L and I make everybody win. Like, I'm so tired of this. Like, literally. I'm not in nobody way. I been leaving alone. I make uno win. Like, I literally just take the L. I make the whole on the team up. Go out with her and she said no. She said no. She does not want to go with you. What is this problem? What is the problem? What's the problem? Listen, I do not see any of you. Like, Natty, I don't care for you. Natty, I don't see you. You can't take no set for me. I tell you, listen, I choose not to answer you. I choose not to answer you. You come with fake page. You come with fake pages all the time. This whole situation have nothing to do with Natty. This have something.
Yeah, oh boy. Anyway, people, don't forget to go over to my other channel, them. You see what I say, cause the way Batam get right down by Queenie. That's over on my Boom by TV channel, as well as Bounty Killer, you know, threatening police officers, as you can see in front of you. Again, that's for the people, them who's not subscribed to my other channel, them. But anyway, not go long with this, not longer. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when we drop the latest in the dancehall news, musical views, and gossips. Bless. I'm out.